Hey guys, Matt here. Today I got something new for you guys. It's the Nikon 50mm lens, and let's check it out. I'm gonna open this and we'll see what's inside. Okay, so my bad, it's the Nikkor lens, and this is all that was in the box. There's nothing in there, just this paper. But this is what we're gonna see here, so I'm gonna get this one open too, and yeah, we'll get back when I get this open. Alright, so these are the warranty papers and instructions that came with it, and then we have cardboard, and then here's the lens itself. Then there's nothing in the box. I do like that box though, it's real nice. But I'm gonna unwrap this real quick, and then we'll see this lens. Okay guys, so here's the new lens. It looks really nice. It's got, you know, Nikon on the front, and it's got all that, and you got your cap on the back. Other than that, it looks really nice. If you guys want, I can do a review on this lens, but anyways guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.